Hello, my lovelies. It is that time of the month again. BoxyCharm time. A little zealous with the lifting of that. As you can tell, this is my birthday month. It is April. Gotta love the tiara. You should always have a tiara when you are celebrating your birthday. Woo! I got myself a tiara for my birthday. I'll be turning 42 this year, and I am doing it in style. Um, that being said, we're gonna get started. If I seem a little off and kind of down today, I'm having a little bit of a cold flu reaction. I got my second shot of the Moderna, and I think it's turned into an actual cold because my allergies have been so bad. I think my immune system was just like, haha, now we can attack you because your immune system's down from the vaccine. Anyways, the good news is I'm now fully vaccinated from COVID. The bad news is I feel like caca, and I've been homesick in bed for the past few days, and I'm feeling pretty crappy today, but I had to work, so, because I only scheduled 2 days off, because everyone kept telling me, oh, it's only, like, you feel bad for, like, one day, and then you're good, and I'm like, oh, cool, I'll take 2 days. Yeah, I don't feel good. Anyways, BoxyCharm. So this month, we have our sweet treats. We're getting a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I love getting eyeshadow palettes. That one is for $48. We have the Touch and Soul. Oh, I really like the Sherbet primer. I have used it before. That's not staying. I've used it before. I actually have it in my kit. I really like it, and so I'm happy to get one of those. We get a face mask by Georgette Klinger. Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara, and Mana Kadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. So all of this, I mean, is decent price points and everything. I'm excited. So let's see. We have the Mana Kadar tweezer set, a fine point tweezer, and a slant nose, which is great. I like using slant nose tweezers myself for doing lash application. I know a lot of people like the special lash tweezers, but I really just like a basic, slant nose tweezers. So, and you all know, tweezers can be really expensive. These ones are decent and nice. I tend to get like little fancy ones for tweezers that have pictures on them so people don't steal them from my pro kit because silver ones always walk away. So these are nice, a nice little tweezers set, so I may give these to someone or put it as a prize in a pack because I don't need any tweezers. I have like lots of tweezers. We always collect tweezers. But yeah, so that's pretty nice. And then I could probably tweeze my eyebrows if I need it. And then this is the Yana palette by Natasha Denona. I have gotten one of hers before, and I think I commented then. The colors are very nice, very basic, neutral. But I mean, her packaging looks very drugstore. It's very, like, basic, and I know she's probably going for, like, clean and classic. But it kind of just looks generic packaging, and it comes in brown, just like a box. So, I mean, if she's going for super generic, she has achieved it. But the pigments, I think, are pretty good. I haven't actually done a review yet on the other Natasha Denona, so I'll probably just do them together. Gotta set that over there when I actually do it. Alright, so this is the vitamin C mask for all skin types. Restores youthful tone and texture, improves radiance and clarity, fights signs of aging caused by UV damage, promotes healing and repair, brightens dull and even skin, draws impurities from the pores. I need that. And smooths and firms. I need all of this. So it looks like they're using argan oils and avocado oils and algae. So can I use this? Deanna's not. I'm not going to try to read that out loud because that's just. There's nothing. Oh. So, I don't know if you can read that, but see that little word urea? A lot of people don't realize, but urea comes from horse urine. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty damn certain that urea is a hormone they take from pregnant draft horses and use it in the stuff. And I'm just going to Google that to make sure, because I could just be, um, yep, it is urea. Urea is, it can treat skincare and nail conditions, but it is made from urine. It is a waste product in urine, and they get it, I believe, most comes from uh, uh, draft horses, pregnant draft horses, where they get the highest amount of it. And it's good for skin and all of that. But yeah, urea is, it is. So type in, and it says the first thing that pops up is that it is made from urine. So, so this would make it not cruelty free, because they do use it from, I believe, draft horses or other animals, and that's what it's supposed to be really good for your skin. But if you see urea and stuff, so I am not really supportive of that. Like, yes, I do use animal hair products for my brushes, but I'm trying to switch over to full synthetics if I can find full synthetics that have the right quality. I try to do as much cruelty-free as possible and not testing on animals and not using animal byproducts, but to each their own. All right, and then we have, I'm not really impressed with this packaging either. I'm just like, whatever. This is the mascara by Queen. It's Queen with a V, so Queen. I doubt that's how you pronounce it. But, oh, I like that. That's hella nice. And this is the Dragon Lash. So, I will have to take this home and try this out. I don't have any mascara on today because my allergies are bad, but let's do this. Let's see what we think, right? So it's kind of a pliable, flexible wand. It's very dark. So seems to be working. Ooh. I don't ever put new mascaras into my kits without trying them because you get bad results a lot of times, and I don't want that to happen to a client. I'd rather try stuff out. So, like other things, I may go straight into my kit and go, hey, I'm going to try that in my kit, but not when it comes to like creams or liquidy products, powder products like eyeshadows. That's different. Certain things I'll try out, like trial runs and stuff like that. So I kind of like this. This is pretty nice. It's like, it's not really thickening. It kind of more is more separating, and it's very dark, but it's not a thickening, volumizing one. It's more of like a lengthening and defining. My lashes definitely now show up. You're like, oh look, she has eyelashes. Whoa, whoa, the crayon's coming off. All right, I have to use my phone as a mirror, so. Wow. Oh, God. Stay. Stay. All right. Okay. Yeah, so this is more of a lengthening, defining mascara, and you can tell by the wand as well. So yeah, let's check it out and wear it. I don't know if it's, I don't think it's waterproof. It's a Dragon Lash tubing mascara. Yeah, it's called Dragon Lash. So it's just about lengthening and stuff. So I'll wear them and see if I smear all over, because I wore a Krylon the other day and it kept transferring under my eye all day long, and I kept looking like I'd been crying. It was not waterproof in any way. It was terrible, terrible, terrible. I will never use it again. And last but not least, the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. It's the pretty filter one, silicone free and cooling effect. So this is a larger package than mine, but it's the same product. I have a smaller, like little bit smaller of a pot than this one in my Pro Kit. I really like it. There's no silicone in it, but it still smooths the skin really nice. It's more of, it's not a lotion primer, and it's not the oil primers, and it's not too heavy of a primer. It's a nice in between. It really smooths the skin really nice. I do really, really like this one, so I'm really happy to get a full-size big one that I can use in my kit when I'm running out. So there you have it. That was this month's BoxyCharm. I'm not like woo overwhelmed and thrilled with it. Sometimes I'm really thrilled with it. It could just be that I'm tired. I don't know. But I am super, super happy about that. Not a fan of urea-based skincare. May try it, may give it away. I don't know. I so far like the mascara. The tweezers are very nice, and the eyeshadow, I'll have to try it out and see what I think. So there you have it. Until next time, you guys, I hope you have a lovely month, and I will see you later, and happy birthday to myself. So